The revised deck arrangements require thicker steel plating along the hull. Let's review the watertight bulkhead specifications once more.
The keel must align precisely with this mark here. See to it the plates are laid straight.
All right, we'll have the framework up by Tuesday.
Hey, that's the measure. Keel section A to thigh Titanic, yard number 401. Gentlemen, today we lay the keel for the largest ship the world has ever seen. The Olympic class will redefine. Level and true, mister. We are aligned. You may carry on.
The year is 1909. Here, in the heart of Harland and Wolff.
Take the strain! Steady, lads! Lift her up! Hold it steady now.
Lower it down easy, lads.
All right, bring her down slow. Easy now, easy. Push on that pole, lads. Hold her steady. That's the correct mark. Hold it steady at the 40-foot line. Bring the lamp over here. Is that stable? Aye, she's solid. Move to the next one. All right, lads, secure the beam. Steady now. Aye, moving her into place.
Heave on that jack now.
It's moving, sir.
Drive the wedge tighter on the starboard side. Get that beam secured before the next lift.
Hey, almost there. Hold it steady, men.
Lower away slowly.
Hey, she's nearly seated.
Watch the line. Lower it down.
Begin adding the additional rib frames toward the bow. The next stage of construction must advance without delay. All right, lads, heave. All right, let's heave. Steady now, lift her up slow. Heave on the left there. Pull it tight, steady now, don't let her spin. We're building history here, lads. The greatest ship in the world. All right, lift her steady. Watch the starboard side. Easy now, easy. Hold it steady now, lads.
Aye, that's plumb.
Right, get the rivets in before she cools. The placement here ensures complete compartmentalization. These sliding doors are the most advanced safety measure in maritime history. Keep moving, watch the sparks. Get that secured now.
A testament to progress. They believed this ship represented the future of ocean travel and human ingenuity.
Heave away, lads. Watch the cables.
Steady now, steady.
Steady on the right there, lads.
Keep her moving slow.
Watch the rails ahead. Lower it easy now. Mind the plating. Watch your heads up there. All right, lads, bring her down. Lower it slowly now. Watch the starboard side.
We need more room here. Shift it left.
Steady. She's almost home. Align the shaft coupling. We must have it ready before the tide turns.
Hold fast there, lads.
A little to the starboard, gently now.
Watch your feet, she's settling.
The gap is exactly 52 millimeters.
Noted. It meets the standard.
All right, lift together now. Easy with her. Watch the starboard side.
The plans say here by the window. Just a bit further to the left.
This equipment is superb. We shall produce culinary masterpieces here, August.
Indeed, Chef. The finest at sea.
Hold it steady now, mind the wood.
It's in the bracket. Give it a turn.
That should hold against any sea.
Leisures. In the same year, 1909, the steel giant they have been constructing is transforming into a floating palace.
Steady now, lower her down easy. Watch the starboard side. That's satisfactory, gentlemen. The alignment is perfect.
Steady now, lift her steady.
Watch the rivets, more steam to the aft hoist.
All right, hold fast.
Lower it easy now, mind the plating. Heave on that turnbuckle, lads, tight as she'll go. Heave on that line. Slow with the crane now, bring her about steady. Hold fast on the ropes, bring her down slow.
Aye, steady.
Secure the bolts now. to starboard. Secure the tow line. Lively now.
Aye, pulling her clear of the slipway. Look at her out there. We finally did it. Hey, biggest ship in the world.
Don't miss it. This is history. Clear the way. I must have this angle. A magnificent achievement, gentlemen. The largest ship the world has ever seen.
Indeed, sir. We are proud.
God save the king and the great ship.
Hard starboard.
Hard starboard, sir. Rudder response is accurate.
Gentlemen, this is the finest vessel ever built. Maintain the highest standards of White Star service. We sail on Wednesday.
Ventilation, doors and safety equipment all exceed requirements.
A flawless inspection, sir.
Indeed. Stamp the approval.